Welcome back to C Academy. Today we are going to talk about very important topic. I'm going to show you how to plot the graph and do the analysis by using spss software. So you can be a worker or a high school student. So if you want to get the analysis and the graph, you can use this spss software. This is very old software and very easy to learn these things. So I'm going to show you how to do that step by step. So let's go to the video. I invite you hit the subscribe button before we are going to the video. Let's go. Now I'm going to show you how to do this. Here, this is my data set. So I found some data from internet, and now I'm going to do the analysis this data set, and I'm going to plot the graph from using this data. So here first we need to find the spss software. So I'm going to start that. So in here the search bar you can type spss. So I'm going to open it. Here this is the spss software. So in the beginning you can see this kind of two pages. So in the first one I'm going to close this one, and this is our worksheet. So in the first we need to add our dataset to this spss software. In here go to the file, here open. Here you can see data, and in here you can't see anything. So we need to find the file location. I'm going to find my file location. Here this is my file location. So in here I'm going to choose the Excel. So I can see my data set. Now I open it. Here they shows some kind of page. So I okay it. So yeah, this is my data set. Now in the SPSS I can see my data set. Now I'm going to plot the graph. So in here you can see graph tab, and first of all I want to tell you, in using this spss software we have lot of method to plot the graphs. So this is the easier method to plot the graph. Here okay, so in here you can see the types of graphs. You can select bar graph and line, area, pie chart. So I'm going to select line. In here you can see line graphs. So first of all we need to select one graph and drag it here. Now they are showing something like this. So we need to find the variables for x-axis and y-axis. In here I choose this country for the x-axis and this population for the y-axis. So in here you can see some statistics. Here mean and the mode, minimum, maximum, sum. There are a lot of statics here. You can plot any graph by using these statics. So I go use mean. So here, okay. Now you can see the graph. This is the graph. Here, this graph title is sample line mean of population. Here, mean population and x-axis countries. So now I'm going to show you how to save this graph. You can save this graph. So in here you can see save document. Go to save and you need to choose a file. Here I save it. Okay. If you want to copy this graph, you can also copy this graph. So to copy this graph, you need to right click and here you can copy. If you want to add to your Word document or something like that, here I'm going to add this graph to my Word document. Now I copied that one. Now I'm going to paste that here. It's very easy. So this is how plot a graph by using spss. So I think you got the point. I will come up with another video. So thank you all. Before you are leaving, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.